Okay, yesterday we did notes on logs. Yep, logs. All right. So, real quick, we are going to have a test on the 3rd, which is next Friday, I believe. Pretty sure that's a set date. Okay, so again, next Friday test. It's already March. Can you believe that? Kind of crazy. You want to make sure you do 6-1, 6-2, and 6-3 and turn those in because today is 6-4, right? Okay, let's do this. So, first question, can you evaluate this log right here? Log base 3 of 81, okay? Now, I'll zoom in right here. You see right here, this is how you do a log. So let me pull up my calculator. It's gonna take a second to do that. By the way, it is Friday, so you're gonna, after this warm-up, turn in your warm-up, so make sure your name's on it, make sure Monday you put holiday, make sure you put absent on the days you were absent, okay? And my calculator is still loading. Okay, here we go. Documents. Okay, cool. So, see how it says log base 381, right? If you go to your calculator, you go to a new calculator, okay? Here's how you do log. Is everyone looking? Look over here with your eyes, okay? You have to press, look over here, look over here. Control, and next to the number 1 is 10 to the x power. Do you see a tiny little log right there? It says LOG, right? You're going to press Control, 10 to the x. Okay, go and do that. Control, 10 to the x. You see 2 boxes there, right? You see a little box in the bottom. You see a bigger box up top. So you're going to put 3 in the little box, like this. And you're going to put 81 in the regular box in the parentheses. In that box, like we were just saying, you're going to put 81. So again, the little 3, and then you go to the right into this regular box. You're going to put 81. Does everyone see that matches here? Log 381. Hit enter. Boom. You get 4. That's it, right? Now, yesterday it was said in the notes, so I'm going to say it again real quick. What the heck is a log? Okay. The log is the opposite of an exponent. So do you all remember what an exponent is? Exponent is how many times you multiply a number, right? So basically the log is saying this little base 3, what would the exponent be to get to 81? Or this little 3, how many times do you have to multiply 3 times 3 until you get to 81? 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 3 is 27, 27 times 3 is 81. The answer is 4, okay? But when you're doing a log, the answer is basically the exponent you're looking for, okay? So basically, if you have a missing exponent, you do a log, okay? Logs are kind of weird and complicated. I get it. And these next 2 are going to be kind of weird too, but I'm showing you now, that way you'll have it when you do your assignment today, okay? But do you know how to at least type it in your calculator, okay? If what I explained doesn't make sense, at least you know how to type it in your calculator, yeah? Okay, now, here's the next type of problem. Ready? We want to convert this log into what we call exponential form, okay? So watch me do this, ready? You're going to take that little base 2, and you're going to write it as a regular 2, okay? What the original form equals, this is your new exponent. So 2 to the 4 power. Go ahead and put an equals, and this middle regular number is going to be what it equals. Okay? I know that's kind of weird, but it makes sense because I told you logs, the logs are giving you the exponent. So if it equals 4, 4 has to be the exponent. The little base is 2. 2 to the 4th power equals 16. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is 16. Cool. That's how you go from log form to exponent form. Okay? If you just look at that, it'll help you when you do it on your practice today, right? Now, what about going backwards? This next one, this is exponent form. Can you take it back into logarithmic form? By the way, logarithm, log is a short version of that, okay? So here we go. Go and write the word log, L-O-G, okay? This base 10 is going to become your little base down here. All right. What it equals is going to go after that. And then you put an equal sign, and the exponent is the answer. With logs, the exponent is the answer. So we have log base 10 of 100 equals 2. Which is basically asking us 10 to what power gives you 100? To the 2 power. 10 squared, 10 times 10 is 100. Okay, now I'm going to zoom out here. Okay, it is Friday. It is Friday, which means you're going to turn in your warm-up sheets, right? So make sure your name is on it. Make sure you put absent the days you were absent. Make sure you put holiday on Monday. I'm going to leave this on the board so that way you can refer to it. But right now I'm going to pass out 6.4, which is giving you practice on stuff like this. You have today to work on it. And then I'm going to come pick up your warm-up sheets, all right? Here we go.